Back to our back to school coverage. We're helping you get those kiddos ready to start the school year. Packing healthy school lunches that your kids will actually eat doesn't have to be a struggle. Registered dietitian Megan McNamee, the co-author of Feeding Little's Lunches, stopped by CBS Mornings with some tasty suggestions. Each school lunch, she says, should include a carbohydrate source, a protein, a fruit, a vegetable, and then something fun like a dip, dessert, or chips. Some examples include veggie wontons, rice cake sandwiches, or a yogurt parfait.
The point of the yogurt parfait is a build your own option. So you can kind of pile it, your child can pile it together if they want, or if they're not into mixed foods yet, maybe they eat them all separately. So people kind of think they have to do, again, that kind of formal lunch, but we can have breakfast for lunch. That's okay.
She says variety is key. And as for those picky eaters, she says it takes kids between 10 and 20 times just seeing something before they eat it for the first time. So continue exposing your kids to healthy foods. The more they see it, the more likely they are to eat it eventually.